So the way you would solve the fourth one is, first of all, you need to get the equation equal to 0. So you're going to move 36 over to the other side of the equation. So it's x squared minus 36. Oop, that was ugly. Equals 0. And I noticed it's quadratic. It's not a quadratic trinomial, but it is special because that x is a perfect square, because you can factor it that way. The 36 is a perfect square. And you've got that subtraction in the middle, and there's no middle term. So remember that that means this is a difference of squares. So it would be x plus 6, and then x minus 6 is equal to 0. And then you still need to take the step of solving it. So I need to look and see. So I need what's going to make this equal 0. So x plus 6 is equal to 0. That one's pretty basic. Just subtract 6 from both sides. So one solution would be 6. And then we need to solve the other equation for 0. And we would do that by adding 6 to both sides. So x is equal to, oh, oops, sorry. That was a negative 6 right there. And a positive 6. So the two solutions would be negative 6 and positive 6.